The windows that are found in Microsoft Word can be arranged or resized to your own preference, and you can multitask as you work on different parts of the same document. Open Microsoft Word 2016 to a new blank document. Click on the View tab. If you notice, when we click on the View tab, all of the different options we have under Window. So if we click New Window, this icon here, it will give us another document or another window of the same document that is already open. So if we click here, notice the number 2 that appears here for this particular document, which was called Project-Based Learning and Constructivism. And if I minimize that, here's the number 1. This is the original document. So what it just did is it gave us 2 different windows of basically the same exact document. And we can view these documents side by side if we wanted to. And of course, because I have multiple documents open, it's asking me, well, which document do you want to view side by side? I'm going to choose this same exact document, and then I'm going to click OK. And notice now I have these 2 documents side by side. And what's really nice about this is that notice as I scroll, there is this synchronous scrolling of both documents as I scroll deeper into the document, because this option right here, synchronous scrolling, is on. I can always click on that and that will remove that option. But basically we're looking at the same document, although it looks like it's in 2 different places, it's the same exact document. So any changes I make over here, notice if I put the number 6 here, if we move over here, that number 6 will also appear over here. And so the same thing works for any other window. So I'm going to close the second document here. And I'm going to click on, this time, because I know I have 2 Word documents open, I'm going to click Arrange All. And notice what happens. It arranged these 2 documents that were open, Project-Based Learning and then Data and Enduring Questions. Notice how the windows are arranged. And I can scroll in this document that's below and compare what's in this document that is above it. I can also, again, click on View Side by Side, and now I have both documents. Notice again, there is synchronous scrolling. If I don't want it, I can click on it and uncheck it. And so I'm going to maximize this window. And then there's one other option here. We can, well, 2 other options. We can split. So if I click split, it's the same document, but what I can do is view different sections of the document in 2 different places. And then I can go back and click Remove Split. And then one other option is to switch between windows. Now, if you had multiple documents, and when I refer to documents, I'm talking about windows. When you open them up, they are referred to as windows, although they are documents. So I'm talking about 2 different documents that I've already opened. And so if you had multiple documents open, you can look down in this list when you click on Switch Windows and choose a document that you want to go to. So notice where the check mark is. That tells us that this document is open. But if I click this one, then the other one will open. And that's how you can manipulate windows in Microsoft Word.